Hello everyone, it's me, and today we are going to be making a cake based on instructions from ChatGPT. I went out here because it was so loud in my house, but it's literally not even quieter out here. It's so annoying. But anyway, I've been doing this challenge hosted by Think Media, where it's supposed to help YouTubers to get better at YouTube and stuff. And it's been the past couple days, it's been like, oh, make an idea for a video. Okay, make the title, make the thumbnail. And then it was like, post the video and edit it and make it today. I'm like, oh, okay. So yeah, came out here to record this since I couldn't wait for my house to be quiet. So yeah, this will be fun. It's gonna be very poorly edited because it said do little to no editing. So yeah. Anyway, here's what ChatGPT gave me when I asked for a chocolate and strawberry cake. So I'm gonna do my best to try to make this, or to follow the instructions exactly, and see how it goes. All right, dry ingredients first. All right, there we go. Got all the dry ingredients mixed in. Next is eggs, milk, vegetable oil, and vanilla. It says just add them to the dry ingredients. It doesn't say to mix them together first. So I guess that's just what we're gonna do. It does say that the eggs and milk should be at room temperature, and I didn't see that until like halfway through making this part. So they're sitting right there, just thawing out. So, oh, and there's Leo. See, also, forgive me for using my laptop, which is probably very bad camera quality and a bad angle. But I have like no storage on my phone, so this is the best we can do. I'm too impatient to let these actually get to room temperature, so they're close enough. We're just gonna pour them in.
Oh shoot.
Yeah.
Oh shoot.
Yeah.
Oh shoot.
Yeah. All right, let's mix this.
Making a deal with YouTube.
Yeah. Oh wait, I need to plug it in maybe? That might help.
I don't know if you need to. That's just
Alright,
like
we're
an
starting
accessory.
It's a very thick batter. Although there are more ingredients, but oh, actually it's just water. The last ingredient for the batter is 1 cup of boiling water, which I've never seen in a recipe before, so.
Goofy AI.
There's boiling
Goofy
water.
AI. There's also no butter in this. And I realized that, so let's go boil some water. Water's boiling, so let's, this is so scary, I don't like this. Turn the burner off, all right. And, go. This is for real just gonna cook the batter. Like, there's no way, this is not real. Like, this can't be real. Ugh, I don't like it. I don't like it. Oh, it's so weird. It's like oobleck. It's all mixed and it's just very liquidy now. So let's put it in the pans. So we got the 2 cake pans, which I didn't think we had actually, but then we did. These ones are fancy because you can like scrape the cake off the tray. All right, I was gonna put flour on these pans, but then we are actually out of flour. So, ooh, the batter got really bubbly from all the bubbles from the boiling water. All right, let's add it to the pan. It's so liquidy. This is not going to be even. And we got 2 even enough cake pans, so let's put them in the oven. In the oven with a like 25-minute timer, so we'll check on it then. And in the meantime, let's make the strawberry filling. I was looking ahead at the recipe at the strawberry filling, chocolate ganache, and chocolate whipped cream frosting. I was like, oh, okay, we definitely don't have enough like heavy cream and strawberries for that. So then I texted my mom and I was like, hey, and she was at the store. So I was like, hey, can you buy this and this? And she didn't respond. And then she walked in the door like a minute later and I was like, oh no. So I did not have the ingredients to finish this recipe. So once the cake is out of the oven and a little bit more cool, I'll cut the tops off so that's flat, and then we'll try the cake, and then we'll just have to wait for a part 2, where I will make the frosting and the ganache and the strawberry stuff, and then put it all together and test it. So Yeah, let's dry that cake. All right, let's test the cakes. Good. Good enough. I only have one hand. I should have gotten the other glove. Cut. All right, so I ended up having them in the oven for like 33-ish minutes just because I kept having to like open it and close it to check it and stuff. So they're finally out, and look at this, look at this. Can we get a zoom in? Leo did that. Don't tell us. Leo did that, and he wasn't even sneaky about it, and literally, didn't you say something to him, and he was like, no, I didn't do that, and I was like, Leo, did you do that? And he was like, yeah.
I said, Leo, did you just do that? And he goes, he just made a face.
But he went, wait, do the face? All right, and then I was yelling at her. Julia accidentally stopped recording.
I pressed the volume down button on accident with my finger, and it stopped the video.
All right. So anyway, as I was gonna tell you, look at these pans. They're very cool because they have this little thing that if you saw while I was filling it up, it goes like to the middle. It's like a radius, if you will. Stop that. You're gonna get fired. You're better than Leah though. So you just like twist this around, and then it like gets the cake off the bottom of the pan and the sides. And so it's very helpful for getting it out. But I already did it on this side. I forgot to explain it, but I was doing that while I was recording. Stop! So anyway, yeah, here's the cakes so far. I'll cut them, and then we can taste test them. But Leo's not allowed to. All right, let's get these cakes out of here. So they're like really. Oh, it's not. Hello, I thought I did. Oh, there we go. So here we got one of the cakes. I'm gonna do this technique. I feel like I've seen Rosanna Pansino do this. So like, we're gonna go like this. Oh, this is not working. Should have gotten the serrated knife. Speaking of that word, how do you say that word? I say serrated, but then everyone told me that's wrong and it's serrated. Oh, I'm doing very poorly at this. So comment down below if you say serrated or serrated. And if you don't know, then just agree with me because it'll make me happy. So I actually don't think this is going very well. But anyway, let's see. Oh yeah, so that was actually like way more than I meant to cut off, but like it's fine. Oh, look at that. Dumb. All right, next cake. Put this back in the pan. Only partially. Oh shoot, it ripped. Okay, well, second pan. I'm gonna try to do this one better. I'm gonna go lower, so it's not as like big of a layer. This is not going well, I can tell. All right, let's see. I'm gonna see if I can flip it back into here. Oh, that worked a lot better. Because in this part, it's okay if it breaks. Oh, it actually didn't even go off all the way, so let's just cut this off a little bit. So this one I did a lot better, actually, but they're both pretty mid. Is that even flat? No, not at all. All right, so good enough. Anyway, don't let my dog eat this. So it's flat enough. And yeah, now we got our 2 layers. And then in part 2, we can make the other stuff and put them together. Also, don't mind the outfit change. I was recording another video and Julia and I needed like semi-matching outfits. So yeah. There's a lot of excess, I feel like. I feel like that's too much, but oh well. The cake itself, it's not super sweet, which I feel like is good since there's going to be like a chocolate ganache and the frosting and strawberries. So I just stopped eating this. You just ate some. I told you not to. I told you not to eat any because you stole some earlier. But I told you not to. Anyway, there's also some chocolate still in the pan, but like you can see most of it's gone. Oh look. Yum. It seemed a little raw in the middle. Oh, my AirPod is falling out. Magic. It seemed a little raw in the middle, but I don't think it is. It was just looking that way. So I'm gonna saran wrap these maybe, put them in some sort of airtight container, and I'll see you in part 2. Love you guys so much. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.